So overall content creation and or just shooting video with the iPhone is always going to be something that I recommend to a lot of people, as well as always recommending an external microphone system for the iPhone. All right. Even though the iPhone has great internal audio, it doesn't hurt to always have an external system just so you can try to get a little bit more crispy audio quality coming out of your iPhone. So today, a good company by the name of Movo, they sent us over one of their wireless systems for us to take a look at on the iPhone real quick. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video today. Now, if this is your first time catching any video on the channel, what up? My name is Jay, and on this channel, I try to cover tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxing. So if there's something that you're into, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss another video on this channel. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, so if you're looking for this one, you can find it right here on Amazon. I will throw a link up in the description, but the price is going to run you about $79.99. And again, this is the Movo Wireless Mini Duo Ultra Compact Wireless Lavalier Microphone for the iPhone. All right, let's go ahead and scroll through, see what else we can find. So right here, Movo creators wanted Ultra Compact iPhone microphones. It says it's lightweight wearable microphone that captures broadcast quality audio directly to your iPhone. We got a long-lasting battery. It says it gets about 10 hours of battery life, which can allow you to record basically all day. I'm pretty sure if you charge this one time for the day, you probably won't even need to recharge it at all. It has an omnidirectional polar pattern as well. It says it has pass-through charging. So basically, the receiver plugs into your Lightning port. So your Lightning port is going to be taken up, but this thing has a USB-C port on the outside of it. That way you can plug your USB-C port in so you can still continue to charge your iPhone so your phone won't die. So I think that's pretty cool. And right here, what's in the box, you're going to get two wireless mini transmitters with the microphone built in. Then you're going to get also one wireless mini receiver. You're going to get a USB-C to USB-A cable. You're going to get a carrying pouch and two windscreens, all right? So real quick, let's go ahead and dive into the box. All right, so taking a look at this box, man, presentation is pretty cool, man. I like this little green and white little presentation they got going on right here. But right here on the top, it says Movo creators wanted. Gives you a nice little picture of what you're going to get in the box. It says 2.4 gigahertz wireless microphone compatible with iOS devices, mini wireless duo. On this side, it just says creators wanted. On this side, has some little information for you to take a look at right there. On the bottom, nothing. Top says it has a little 2-year warranty as well. And then right here on the back, here's a lot of cool information for you if you want to pause the screen and go ahead and screen capture that. All right. So once you open up the box, first things first, you're going to be greeted with the microphones, the receiver, and the little wind screens right here in a plastic sleeve, but we'll get to that in a hot second. Next, you're going to have, looks like a user manual in a little plastic sleeve. Let's go ahead and open this up so you guys can take a look. Move that out of the way. Oh, so you're gonna have a little sticker right here. So you can put this on something if you want to. Move that out to the side. Then you're gonna have your manual right here. We'll go ahead and scroll through this manual real fast so you guys can see that. Make sure you pause the screen on any part of this that you want to see. Let's go ahead and flip this over so you can get some of these specifications. Just like that. So you're gonna have the manual, you're gonna have a little sticker right here. Then you're also gonna have this nice little pouch right here. It's just a little soft pouch. It does have a little pocket right here on the back, little net pocket on the back right there. And just cinches down in the front like that. And inside this little pouch, you're going to have your USB-C right there and another USB-C. So far we got that. Oh, and then we have a little, some type of little gold create scan me type of card for software and stuff like that. So if you want to scan that, you can, but we got that, both of these. And then last but not least, like I said, we have the microphones. So this looks kind of tricky to get these out of here, but we're going to try to do this right here on camera. So, okay, there we go. Whew, I didn't want to mess that up. So first glance, off the rip, man, they look real clean. Man, they look real clean, obviously because they're brand new, but they look real clean. Let's take this stuff out of here right quick. Let's take this out. I like the little branding they got on it. Okay, so that's pretty cool right here. So let's take a look at one of these microphones. So this is what they're going to look like for you. Got a nice little clip. I think this clip right here is going to be awesome, and it's tight. Nice little tight clip, real tight, real tight. Maybe because it's brand new. Right on the top, you got a microphone there. You got your power button right here. Got your little LED indicator that's going to be right there as well. So USB-C charging port down here on the bottom. And on this one, you have the exact same thing, all right? Nothing different about the actual microphones, all right? So right here, you're going to have the little receiver right here. Got your USB-C pass through there, and it's gonna come with this little plastic thing on it right here to actually protect the lightning little adapter right there. But you take that off, and this is what it looks like. Real nice, simple LED little light flash. Gonna be about right up in here. If I can get that, you guys can see that's gonna be like right there to let you know that it's turned on or it's getting power. As far as build quality, guys, these things feel real good in the hands. They actually feel real sturdy. Like they don't have a lot of weight to them, but you can tell that they're built real solid, like real solid. Like I can't even explain it, but just look how clean these look. Let me put this up to the screen, man, so you guys can see that, man. Look how clean they look. They look amazing, man. I actually like these, man. I'm definitely gonna have to do a comparison between these, the Lee Reel, man, the CKO. Like I'm gonna have to do a lot of comparisons, man. But these right here, these are really clean, man. I like the whole design aspect of these. The clip is real nice and tight, man. It feels premium, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie, it just feels real quality and premium, man. So real quick, it's easy to set this thing up. All you gotta do is take this off, and you'll just plug this directly into the bottom of your iPhone, just like that. And as you can see, it already says that there's an accessory ready to be used. So we'll go ahead, go into Pro Movie real quick. And right here in Pro Movie, as you can see, it says wireless mini RX DI is already plugged in. As you can see right there, mini RX DI. So I just take one of these microphones right here, turn it on real quick. Once you turn it on, should be getting a signal. And as you can see up at the top, as I talk, mic check, you can see the levels going up right there. So if I tap it, see the levels moving. Levels are moving. Let's turn this one on as well. Real quick. All you do is turn it on. Levels are moving. Look at that. Easy day. Real easy, man. That's how quick you set these up. Just plug and play. You see all the blue lights going off right here. Plug and play. Real easy. Real easy. All right. Take that back out. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is we're gonna do a full-on little audio test. I even do a little range test, and I'll use both of these microphones. I'll probably grab my daughter and see if she wants to help me do this. But what I'll do is put this on. I'll do a quick little indoor audio test for you guys using the iPhone, and then we'll do one outdoors, a range test, and then we'll do a dual wireless mic test at the same time, and we'll see what they sound like, all right? But let me put this on. Let me see if I can put this on. This seems kind of hard right here. Let's see if I can get this on here. Stretch it over just like that. So that's what the little windscreen is going to look like over the microphone, just like that. That's what the windscreen is going to look like, just in case you guys were wondering. Would I use this little windscreen? Probably not. Really just depends on the wind outside, but honestly, I just don't think I would use this. But it does look pretty cool, and it does sit flush, and it doesn't seem like it'll come off. So, hey, I might just go ahead and use it anyway, all right? So let me go ahead and get the iPhone set up on the stand. We'll do an indoor test, outdoor test, a little bit of a range test, then we'll do the little dual test, and then we'll wrap this up, all right? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so right now I am indoors with the microphone clipped to my shirt. It is not turned on. We have the little receiver right here in my hand. I will be plugging this in here in a second, but just a couple quick things. This is what the audio sounds like, just coming straight out of the iPhone, and I think it actually sounds pretty good. I did put the little wind muff on this thing right here, and one thing to note is that it does have a noise cancellation mode. So when I plug this thing in, it's going to be a solid blue light, which represents noise cancellation is off. Press it once again, or I think it's once again, and then it's going to flicker a couple times. It's going to put it in mute, and then if you want to get to noise cancellation on, it's a slow blinking light, so you'll press it 2 more times if I'm not mistaken. So we'll try to cycle through that as best I can, all right? So right now, I'm about to plug it in, and we're going to switch over to this microphone right now. Stand by for camera shake. So the microphone is now plugged in. As you can see, we have a solid blue light. That solid blue light means that noise cancellation is off, and this is what the audio quality sounds like. So I'm going to press the button right now. So now we have a slow blinking light. As you can see, it's very slow blinking. That means that we are in noise cancellation on. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are going to use it with noise cancellation on, but this is what the audio quality is going to sound like for you. All right. Also, I do have it clipped this way. You can turn it and stick it down in your shirt the opposite way so that all you can see is the clip. I think that's an awesome way to wear it. But right now, I just wanted you guys to see what the indoor audio quality test sounds like with this microphone. Let's head outside. All right, y'all. So hopefully you can hear me. I do have the microphone plugged in. It is on. I have noise reduction turned on. And right now, I just want you guys to see what it sounds like outside. There is a breeze. Kids playing. I have my daughter. She's way back here. She's going to show you guys, as well as myself, the dual microphone so you can use them at the same time. But right now, I'm going to do a range test. I'm going to walk all the way to the other end of my fence, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to have her turn the microphone on. And then we'll just kind of talk simultaneously so you guys can hear that. So this is with the noise cancellation on, and I'm going to turn around and start walking right now. All right. So this is how far you can go before you start to hear the sound cut out. So I'm going to turn my back and hopefully it doesn't mess up. All right. So I'm still going. I'm going to go all the way down to the other end of the fence. You can press your button and turn it on. Go ahead, turn it on. Yep, it's on right now. Okay. Your noise cancellation is not going to be on, but it doesn't matter. So I'm all the way down here at the other end of the fence. I'm touching the fence right now. Hopefully you guys can see that. I know I'm way down here. My backyard is pretty long or pretty huge. So I'm gonna come back right now. And once I get back to the camera, I'm just gonna kind of have my daughter just kind of wave and, you know, we'll just count to 10 or something just so you guys can hear her talk. Do you have your mic on?
Yes.
It's on right now?
I think so. Yes.
Okay. Let's go ahead and start counting. You can start.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10. See? And she's way down there. Say hey.
Hello.
So I'm all the way up here with this microphone, and she's way down there with that microphone. Say hello one more time.
Hello.
See what I mean? So hopefully this has been a cool representation of how you can use these microphones indoors and outdoors. All right, let's take it back in and wrap this video up. Now, if you found this video to be helpful in some way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.